Currently, the sewage treatment plant is on bypass, so they needed to pull these motors out of there so that they could be rebuilt. They were underneath the flood waters. The electric motors will have to be rebuilt, and after that they can get back up and processing sewage. Part of being in the National Guard is to serve your state and community. I live here in Burlington, Iowa, so it's an honor to me to be able to come down here and be a part of fixing the floodwaters, responding to a state emergency, and getting the community back up and running again as it should.